bad debts recovered. Sometimes what happens is the debtor from whom I had thought that I will not receive any money now, I had written it as bad debts. From such person I receive money now, so they are bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered is purely profit for me. It is an income for me, and you don't need to do any adjustment in debtors now for bad debts recovered. This is the crux of this adjustment entry. Remember that don't touch the debtors when you are passing a bad debts recovered adjustment, because now it has nothing to do with the debtors. When there were bad debts, it was my expense. Now when I am recovering bad debts, it is my income. So don't mix the two. Treat it as your income. What will be the entry? Bad debts recovered account debit. Account debit to profit and loss account. I have to credit profit and loss account because bad debts recovered is my income. Bad debts recovered transferred to profit and loss account, and then cash or bank account debit to bad debts recovered. So ultimately what is happening, if I cancel this debit with this credit, what is happening? Cash and bank account debit. So my cash is increasing, cash account debit, and my P&L is getting credited to P&L. So my income is also increasing, ultimately increasing my profit. So this is how you will pass an adjustment entry. Just put it in credit side of your P&L that it is a income. Don't touch the debtors amount. That is a warning. If you do it, then you will get your figures wrong in the final accounts.